As you guys well know, I've been getting videos now for nearly 3 months of this mysterious flashing light phenomena. The fog seems to have slowed down, but I wanted to show you guys what is really going on here. And I'm just one person, keep that in mind. These are the folders of all of the flashing videos that I haven't got to. And I'm just going to start sharing these 2 or 3 at a time because I have so many. Right here is 45. This is one folder. Here's folder number 2. Let's say another 45. Here's folder number 3, right around another 45 or 50. Here's folder number 4. That's 97. And here's folder number 5. Another 45 or 50. So in this folder alone, 200, and they're still coming in. So there's definitely something to this, and I'm very curious as to what it is. I put together a small video just to give you guys an update of more examples of these mysterious flashing lights. Dennis, February 16th. This is one of those examples where I don't know the location, but it's a very good example of these mysterious flashing lights. I'm telling you, I've never seen anything like this. As you saw the map at the beginning of the video, it's been updated. I've added Wharton, Texas, Meridian, Idaho, Lone Tree, Colorado, and on the international map, I've added Denmark. This location here, unfortunately, I don't know where it's at, but it was a great example of this mysterious phenomena. Here's Wharton, Texas, David and Liz, February 16th, 2025. Again, guys, I've been doing this for a long time, and I've never received videos. I don't think I've ever received one of unusual flashing lights like this along highways and parking lots, now inside of homes, around homes. I don't think I've ever gotten one. And now all of a sudden, as you saw in that folder, I've got 200 that I'm still working on. I'm sharing these 4 with you guys today. And as you saw on the map at the beginning of this presentation, I've already shared over 200 videos from the United States. So there's something to this. This is highly unusual. We're going up to Meridian, Idaho. Gigi, February 18th. This video has narration from right around 24 hours ago.
Hello, Mr. MBB333. I am seeing flashing lights in this parking lot. There's one way back there. Hope you can see that. But I'm in Meridian, Idaho. This is my first time to see this sort of thing. And it's been going on for at least a half hour. That's how long I've been here. Just keeps going.
And as you heard Gigi say herself, this is the first time she's ever seen this. And that holds true for most people these days. They've never driven down highways, and all of a sudden a stretch of street lights along a major freeway will just start flashing for unknown reasons. There's no storms in the area. It's a clear night, but for some reason, like right here, the lights are flashing. Something is interfering with the flow of electricity, and I don't know what. And the last video of this small segment I put together is out of Lone Tree, Colorado by Dustin Schwartz. Check it out. He couldn't help but notice these across the street. Multiple lights spanning this entire parking lot. Why are they flashing? You know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense at all. And again, I've been doing this for many, many years, and I've never received videos of mysterious flashing lights like this until now.